You should be you're recording.
All right, ramp nailing system off. It almost looks like it's going down from this wheel. And that's the problem, is we extend the ramp, we want it to stay. The customer's application is they park curbside. They have a cement platform where they release their ramp, their current ramp that they do have, and it does not kick it back. The customer would like to keep that luxury because it is the most ideal parking spot, and really, for safety wise, it's the place they need to park as far as the parents. So if there is any tolerance on here to give one way or the other, we would like to know where that does not happen. So that'll do it. Okay. Well.